That EIO file was generated by ENVI, a professional remote sensing and image analysis platform used in geoscience and defense. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and process this satellite imagery output. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful EIO troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. EIO files are image output files created by L3Harris ENVI software during remote sensing image processing operations. They store processed multispectral or hyperspectral raster image data, along with associated spatial and spectral metadata for geospatial analysis. ENVI EIO files follow ENVI's flat binary raster format with a separate header file defining image dimensions, band count data, type spatial reference, and wavelength information. The binary data is stored in band sequential band, interleaved by line or band interleaved by pixel format. The proprietary opener for the EIO file structure is typically ENVI by L3Harris Geospatial. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows offers no meaningful preview, so geographic visualization must occur in GIS software. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your EIO file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with ENVI if it is present, otherwise try another tool from the list. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, opening EIO files. Open EIO files using L3Harris ENVI or the free ENVI Zoom viewer. In ENVI, select File, then open and choose the EIO file. ENVI reads the associated header file automatically to correctly display the multispectral image data. Next, processing in ENVI. Use ENVI's toolbox to perform spectral analysis classification and change detection on loaded EIO imagery. Apply atmospheric correction band combinations and indices such as NDVI to extract information from the remote sensing data. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Export EIO data to GeoTIFF or JPEG 2000 using ENVI's file, then save as function. Ensure proper spatial reference information is embedded in the exported file for use in GIS applications such as ArcGIS or QGIS. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.